Yo, what's up everybody? It's Pianist P Legacy back again with another video. Today, we're talking about that YouTube grind. Whether you're just starting out or you've been playing the keys for years, we all want that channel to blow up, right? Now, I'm not saying it's going to be easy, but there are definitely some strategies you can implement to seriously boost your chances. We're talking about understanding the algorithm, making your videos pop, and engaging with your audience like a pro. So if you're ready to take your channel from zero to hero, stick around, because I'm about to break it all down for you. Alright, so first things first, we gotta talk about the YouTube algorithm. This thing is basically the gatekeeper to your success, deciding who sees your videos and who doesn't. The algorithm really boils down to three main ingredients: watch time, click-through rate, and engagement. Watch time is pretty self-explanatory. The longer people watch your videos, the more YouTube thinks, hey, this content is fire. Your thumbnail and title are like your outfit for the YouTube party. They gotta be eye-catching enough to make people stop scrolling and click. Engagement is where you build a community around your channel. Likes, comments, shares, the algorithm eats this stuff up. So how do we actually put this into practice? Well, that's what we're going to dive into next. Now, we all know content is king, but let's be real, presentation matters. You could have the most incredible piano skills in the world, but if your videos look like they were filmed on a potato, chances are people are going to keep scrolling. First up, thumbnails. Think bright, clear images that are relevant to your video's content. Next, your title. Use keywords that people are actually searching for, and don't be afraid to get a little creative. Keep your videos crisp, clean, and engaging. Aim for videos that are around 6 to 12 minutes long. Experiment with different camera angles, transitions, and maybe even some light editing. You don't need to be a professional filmmaker, but a little visual flair can go a long way. Let's make sure your videos are as visually appealing as your music. Chapter 3. Building your tribe. Engaging with your audience. Like a pro, YouTube isn't just about numbers, it's about building a community. Encourage viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Let them know you're a real person who's passionate about connecting with fellow music lovers. Respond to those comments. Show your viewers that you're listening, that you care about what they have to say. Use polls to get your audience's opinions, pin comments that spark interesting conversations, or even host live Quanda sessions. Remember, the more engaged your audience is, the more the algorithm will reward you. It's about connecting with people who share your passion for music. Chapter 4. Spreading the music, sharing your content effectively. It's time to unleash the power of sharing. Think about where your target audience hangs out online. Are they part of any Facebook groups dedicated to piano enthusiasts? Do they frequent specific online forums? Just remember to be respectful of each platform's rules and guidelines. Engage authentically and contribute to the conversation. And speaking of expanding your reach, let's not forget about the powerhouse that is YouTube Shorts. Experiment with different Shorts formats, showcase your skills in a fun and engaging way, and watch as your channel's visibility skyrockets. Get your music in front of a whole new audience. Chapter 5. Your journey to YouTube stardom starts now. So there you have it, my friends. 5 actionable hacks to boost your YouTube channel and get you well on your way to those coveted 1,000 subscribers and 1 million views. Don't get overwhelmed, start small, and focus on implementing one strategy at a time. The most important thing is to be consistent, create content you're passionate about, and never stop engaging with your awesome community. Now go out there, create some amazing content, and show the world what you're made of. Murakoze Kayani, thank you so much. And until next time, keep those keys grooving. See you in the next upload. We talked about the YouTube algorithm, how to make your videos stand out, engaging with your audience, and even how to effectively share your content. Create great content, engage with your audience, and get your videos seen. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. It really helps the algorithm do its thing, and share this video with more people. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.